Hi, I'm Barry Waxler, author of Stop Bleeding Cash and financial advisor in San Diego, California. What we do with Stop Bleeding Cash is teach people how to find more time and more money in their business. We do that by teaching some of the basic principles, things like marketability, spendability, and bankability of the business. And most people don't realize, if they're a business owner, how that applies to their business. So if you look at bankability, everybody needs to have the help from a bank. So we teach people how to make their business look more friendly to the bank. When the bank looks at something more friendly, then the potential buyers or collaborators with your business are going to like it a lot better too. Marketability teaches people how to make their business look, smell, feel, and taste more marketable. And then of course spendability comes after all that, where we teach people how to make their money more spendable. It doesn't matter how much money you make, it matters how much is available for you to spend. So by maximizing the spendability of your money, it maximizes your style of life. So call me, 619-295-5920, or get me on email at bwaxler@barrywaxler.com, and I'll be happy to help you.